Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to read the mileage on a 1996 1997 Volvo 850, even if it has a working odometer. If it has the original cluster, you'll get the correct mileage. If the cluster's been replaced, you'll get the mileage that is in the current cluster. So hopefully the cluster hadn't been replaced. I don't trust none of the mileage on none of these 850s. I think they've all had odometer issues where they've broken. Some of them's been fixed. When they've been fixed, the mileage hadn't been corrected. People think it's against the law to correct the mileage. Well, it might be, but I think a correct mileage is better than a working cluster with the wrong mileage. So let me show you the easiest way to do that. First thing you want to do is get a Bluetooth OBD2 adapter. This is a VPeak. I know this one works very well. OBD check Bluetooth adapter. Open up the box, take it out, read the instructions, connect it to your OBD2 thing. It'll probably light up if you have a good battery. Go ahead and start the car. Make sure you have a blue light on your adapter. Your Bluetooth is working. Turn on your telephone. Go to your Bluetooth settings. More settings, and you see your VPeak there. Sync that thing to your phone. It says it's pairing. My code for pairing 1 2 3 4. Once you get that synced, you should be good to go as far as your Bluetooth adapter. Next, if you have an Android phone, you want to go to your Play Store. You want to seek 850 OBD2. So you go 850 Volvo. Right there, your top app, 850 OBD2. You want to download that, install it on your phone, and then open it. I don't know how much it costs. I don't remember. I think it was like $3 or $4. Well worth it just to get this information alone. I did pay for it, just a few bucks. So once you get it installed, you open it. The thing is on the default. When it's open, you want to connect it to your OBD2. Let me show you what's next. Next, on the app, you want to hit this play button up here, and it should be connecting to your OBD2. Once you get the green pause, you want to go to live. Once you get your live, it tells you it's connected to your OBD2 thing. You hit start, and it will start connecting to your system in your car. It'll run that brief screen, and then it'll go to your live data. Make sure that Kobe I is up there. Kobe I. Now, it's showing me my engine RPMs, my temperature, gallons, and right there on the bottom, that is the mileage on the car. 209,600 miles. And as you can see, the odometer is broken, showing 145,370. So that is the absolute easiest way to find the mileage on these 850s. I'll put the price of that thing in the comments and the link to where you can get it. And then again, I showed you how to find that app on your Play Store, and it'll come with that icon right there. And this app does several things, and you can just use it. You can reset your service light, you can reprogram service light, it does several things. But again, most importantly, it shows you your mileage when you hit those 3 commands on it. Again, this is the easiest way I know that you can find the mileage on these cars. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and me or somebody else will answer it. Thanks for watching. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.